Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is ICEY, and if you didn't know that already, it probably means that you're new here, so you better subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be one of the first to know whenever I drop a new video. Today's video is a pamper routine, and considering everything that's going on in the world right now, this is very much needed. Right now, I'm making my own honey and turmeric mask. This mask is perfect to unleash your natural glow and get that even skin tone all around. And plus, who doesn't love honey? First things first, you always gotta wash your hands. Look at how glowy and dewy this looks. I'm going to go ahead and rub this all over my face and let the honey and the turmeric set in. I don't do masks enough, but you know, when I have those days that I just need to relax, this is the perfect way to start. And girl, what's a good pamper routine without some fire music? Yes! At this point, I was done putting the mask all over my face, and I wanted to give it about 10 minutes before I washed it off, and I had nothing really to do at this point, so I was like, girl, let me blast some Afrobeats music. You know, I love my Afrobeats, yes! So I was just having a good time. And at this point, I guess Mother Nature thought I was having too much fun, so she wanted to shake me up a little bit. There was a tornado warning. Time to wash off my face. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Time to get in the tub. I love Lush, and especially this body scrub. Oh my god, it feels so good, and it's perfect to brighten up and refresh your skin. And girl, what better way to feel fresh and clean than, you know, rubbing on some fresh and clean lotion from Pink, duh. I have this lip scrub from Pink that I was gifted. It is perfect to get rid of that dead and dry skin that you have that, you know, is stopping you from getting those luscious and smooth feeling lips. And at this point, I was done with the body care portion. I just went to sit and chill and catch up on some Netflix shows that I might have missed. And what is a Netflix and chill without some ice cream? Yes, I was, you know, eating my, it's not even ice cream, it's gelato. Get on my level. Yes, gelato. At this point, it was getting closer for me to go to bed, and I realized that my nails looked a hot mess. Like, sis, why didn't you tell me? Like, I'm out here showing you guys my nails since the beginning of the video, and it's a hot mess. So I was like, let me get my nails together real quick. And stay tuned for a video coming soon on these nails. Well guys, it's time for your girls to go to bed. She gotta wake up early in the morning tomorrow. I do want to thank you guys for watching this pamper routine, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you haven't already, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.